favorite ice cream. So, I'm back in Singapore for a bit and before joining my next ship, and today I'm going to bring you to my favorite restaurant with some of my favorite people, including this one. Let's go! So, Andrew Lee Magic here came all the way from Malaysia to Singapore just to show me this card trick because he said that I won't believe it. Yes.
Okay, go ahead, take a deck of cards, this deck of cards, show it to the camera and go ahead and shuffle the cards as much as you want.
Deck of cards. Yeah, they look like they're all there.
Shuffle, 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 shuffle. Alright, so what's going to happen is I'm going to get you to go ahead and cut the cards. Okay, and pick up either pile, whichever pile that you want.
This one.
Okay, go ahead, pick it up. Look through the cards and I'm going to get you to pick up one card, any card that you like, and place it face on the table.
Okay, this one. It's my favorite card.
Camera, don't show me. Okay, now you can either put it on this pile or this pile, your choice. Okay, and cut and complete the cut. And of course, you can place it on top. And you can cut it again as many times as you want.
Oh?
Okay, happy? So there is no, so you shuffle the cards, you pick a card, and of course you cut the cards. There's no way I would have known what card you picked. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, so it would be a lot easier to know your card if I know the position of the card, or rather like the you know the.
Okay.
So name me any number between 1 to 52.
No way, really?
Yeah.
18.
18. Are you sure on 18 or do you want to change your mind?
If I change my mind, will you still touch the cards?
I will not touch the cards. And your card will be
13.
in the same position of whatever you name. 13.
13.
Okay. Go ahead, hold up the deck and
No.
count down 13 cards, one at a time. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
What was your card?
Ace of clubs.
The Ace of Clubs. Take a look at the 13 card. The Ace of Clubs. Yes, indeed, the Ace of Clubs.
What? How? How good was that? Hello? How good was that?
It's really good. Yeah.
It's my favorite Indian restaurant and it's like, oh, okay, good. It was so good.